The hallmark of a minimalist kitchen is not necessarily the specific color of the cabinets or the material of the floor. It is the breathtaking absence of stuff. There is a distinct psychological shift that happens when you walk into a kitchen where the countertops are completely bare. The unbroken horizontal lines of the stone would create a sense of immediate visual relief, silencing the mental to-do list that clutter often triggers. However, maintaining this level of emptiness in a room designed for work is a logistical challenge. Real life involves mail, coffee makers, dish soap, and half-eaten bags of chips. Therefore, achieving the minimalist look is less about throwing things away and more about intelligent concealment. It requires a shift from passive storage, putting things where they fit, to active organization, creating specific systems for specific categories. The secret to a clutter-free countertop is not magic. It is a rigorous dedication to the concept of a place for everything. When an object does not have a designated home behind a cabinet door, it inevitably settles on the counter. This guide explores the essential minimalist kitchen storage ideas to keep your countertops clear, transforming your kitchen from a chaotic workspace into a serene culinary sanctuary. The appliance garage hiding the daily grinds. The biggest offenders in countertop clutter are the machines we use every day: the coffee maker, the toaster, the blender, and the kettle. In a traditional kitchen, these are left out because they are convenient. In a minimalist kitchen, convenience must be engineered without sacrificing the aesthetic. Enter the appliance garage. This is not merely a cupboard. It is a dedicated station located at countertop level, often tucked into a corner or at the end of a cabinet run. The critical difference is that it is equipped with internal electrical outlets. This means your appliances remain plugged in and ready for action. You simply lift a pocket door or slide open a tambour shutter, brew your coffee, and then close the door. The visual chaos of cords, plugs, and plastic casings disappears instantly. If you are renovating, planning for this dedicated zone is one of the highest value decisions you can make. If you are working with an existing kitchen, allocating a deep, lower cabinet with a pull-out tray can serve the same function, keeping the heavy machinery off the pristine surfaces. The superiority of deep drawers over doors. If you look closely at high-end minimalist kitchens, you will notice a lack of traditional lower cabinets with doors. Instead, they utilize deep, wide drawers. This is a strategic storage choice. A traditional cupboard is a black hole. Items get pushed to the back, forgotten, and eventually duplicated because you can't find them. This inefficiency leads to overflow, which spills onto the counters. Deep drawers, conversely, bring the back of the cabinet to you. They allow for vertical storage, where items like plates, pots, and lids are stored standing up or in stacks that are entirely visible at a glance. By using peg systems or adjustable dividers inside these drawers, you can create a rigid home for even the most awkward items, like Tupperware containers or heavy cast iron skillets. When it is effortless to retrieve and put away a heavy pot, you are far less likely to leave it sitting on the stove for later. The ease of the system dictates the tidiness of the room. The decanting discipline, a pantry revolution. One of the most visually jarring elements in a kitchen is the noise of commercial packaging. A pantry shelf stocked with cardboard cereal boxes, crinkly chip bags, and neon-colored soup cans creates visual clutter that feels chaotic even when behind closed doors. For the true minimalist, decanting is a transformational habit. Decanting involves removing food from its original packaging and transferring it into matching clear glass or plastic containers. While it requires an initial investment of time, the payoff is twofold. First, clear square containers stack perfectly, maximizing every cubic inch of shelf space, unlike billowy bags. Second, it creates a visual inventory. You can see exactly how much rice or pasta you have left, preventing overbuying and hoarding. When your pantry looks like a boutique rather than a grocery store warehouse, you are more inclined to keep it organized. This internal order radiates outward, reinforcing the clean lines of the kitchen exterior. The drop zone drawer, a major source of kitchen clutter, has nothing to do with cooking. It is the keys, the wallet, the sunglasses, the unread mail, and the random screws found on the floor. The kitchen island often becomes the dumping ground for the debris of daily life simply because it is the first flat surface we see when entering the home. To combat this, a minimalist kitchen needs a designated drop zone, but it must be hidden. Dedicate one top drawer specifically for this purpose. This is not a junk drawer, which implies a permanent graveyard of useless items. It is an active holding station. Equip it with shallow dividers to separate keys from mail and pens. By giving these transient items a specific hiding spot, you protect the sanctity of the countertop. The rule is simple. Nothing stays on the surface. If it isn't food being prepared or an appliance being used, it goes into the drawer. The sink valet, eliminating the soap bottle. The area around the sink is a magnet for small, ugly clutter. The plastic dish soap bottle, the wet sponge, the scrub brush. These necessary tools disrupts the sleek, clean lines of a minimalist stone countertop and undermount sink. There are two effective ways to handle this. The renovation solution is to install a tilt-out tray in the false drawer front immediately in front of the sink. This slim pocket is perfect for hiding sponges and scouring pads. For the soap, a built-in dispenser that sits flush with the countertop is essential, fed by a large bottle hidden in the cabinet below. If you are not renovating, the solution is a sink valet or a sink caddy that hangs inside the basin, keeping wet items out of sight and off the counter surface. Alternatively, decanting dish soap into a beautiful, opaque ceramic dispenser that matches the countertop turns a cleaning product into a piece of decor, minimizing its visual impact. Vertical storage for flat clutter. Cutting boards, baking sheets, and serving platters are notoriously difficult to store. They often end up leaning against the backsplash because they are too tall for standard shelves or too wide to stack without toppling. This leaning tower effect ruins the clean horizon line of a minimalist kitchen. The solution is vertical slot storage. This can be achieved by installing vertical dividers. Tension rods work well for a retrofit in a narrow cabinet or even above the refrigerator. Storing these flat items on their edges, like books in a library, makes them easy to grab and slide back in. Utilizing the inside of cabinet doors is another hidden gem. Sticking sleek adhesive hooks or racks to the back of a door can hold pot lids or cutting boards, utilizing dead space and keeping the counters clear of leaning lumber.